Let me show you how I went from this to this. And basically, I started with using these cedar fence pickets that I had planed down in the previous video to make those tables. And I used a hook and loop set on my angle grinder to basically sand these all down nice and smooth and beautiful. This took the majority of the process, but I did this project for under $200. And here you can see I started by painting the wall and applying a few of the boards. I was trying to get all this done before my wife's birthday, but basically we're just using liquid nails on the back of these boards. I did sand the edges so there'd be kind of a rounded seam between all of the boards. And basically I went with a full-length board and then a half-length board for the pattern, and then that required the inboards to be measured, and most of those were about 15 inches and about 50 inches respectively. This is the 15-inch piece that we're attaching here. So once I sanded all of those boards down, I cut off all the dog ears, and then I took them back over to the bench where I had set up a rig for sanding the sides, and I finished the part we just cut, giving it just a little bit of a round so it would look nice. Now I skipped the painting the wall parts, but basically I was just continuing to use liquid nails here and apply these boards. Once we got up to the window part, I had to measure back from the previous seam so I could maintain the pattern since we were breaking that up with the window. Now it is important to note that here at the end of this little clip I did make a mistake which required me to peel off several boards because I accidentally dropped a board that happened to be too thick and it spread liquid nails all over the rest. Once I fixed that mistake, I basically just continued the pattern and finished that up. Then I finished the painting, swept everything up, and here we are. Almost finished. I still actually, in this video, had to rehang the barn door for that laundry room, which I did here, and then we set this up to be the gym. Next step is lighting. Stay tuned.